Is your C drive constantly running out of space? That low disk warning is one of the most frustrating things you can deal with a Windows PC. And if you don't know how to extend your C drive, it can feel like a dead end. Well, in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to fix it, step by step on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. And I'll also show you a smarter way to handle this using a tool called Wondershare Recoverit. Link is in the description. Your C drive is your system partition. It holds Windows, your apps, temporary files, and more. Over time, it just fills up, and when it does, your PC slows down, updates fail, and programs start crashing. The good news is you can extend it, so long as you have unallocated space available on the same disk. The built-in way to extend your C drive is through disk management. Here's how. Right-click the Start menu and select Disk Management. Look at your drive layout. If there is unallocated space directly to the right of your C drive partition, you're in luck. Right-click on the C drive and select Extend Volume. Then follow the wizard and confirm the space that you want to add and click Finish. And that's it. Your C drive is now larger. But here's the catch. If there's no unallocated space sitting right next to your C drive, then the Extend Volume option will be grayed out. And that's where most people get stuck. But this is where Wondershare Recoverit comes in. Most people know it for data recovery, and yes, it recovers deleted files, lost partitions, data from hard drives and external hard drives that aren't showing up, but it also includes a full disk partition management feature. Go ahead and grab it from the link in the description. Once installed, open Recoverit and navigate to the disk partition management section. From there, you can resize, extend, or shrink partitions, including your C drive, without any data loss, even when Windows Disk Management refuses to cooperate. You can extend C drive by pulling space from another partition on the same disk, no need for unallocated space sitting right next door, and it handles the hard disk repair work behind the scenes so that your data stays safe. Though partition operations always carry some risk. Power cuts, interruptions, unexpected errors. If your files ever go missing after a resize, Recoverit's data recovery mode has you covered. It supports hard drive recovery, external hard drive recovery, and even handles drives that stop showing up entirely. Just follow a few simple steps. Select the drive, scan it, preview the files, and then recover. So, to recap, if you have unallocated space next to your C drive, Windows Disk Management works fine. If not, Wondershare Recoverit gives you the flexibility to extend your C drive the right way, with a built-in safety net if anything goes sideways. Drop your questions in the comments and check the description for the link to Recoverit. It's worth having before you need it. Download Wondershare Recoverit for free at the link below, with up to 500 megabytes of recovery at no cost, and a full partition management included.